Hi guys and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to download Story from Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application, and then on Instagram, look for a story. Tap on the three dots and then copy the link of the story that you found over at Instagram. Close Instagram this time, head on over to your internet browser and then go to Downloadgram. In here, once you're now on the website downloadgram.org, paste the link of the story over at the rectangular bar. And then click on Download Now. Now wait for the website to finish downloading your story. If it does not work, head on over to the story once again, and then head on over to the proper original post. Then click on the three dots, then copy the link. Then head on over to downloadgram.org once again, and then on the rectangular bar, paste it, and then click on Download Now. And then in here, you can now download the story or the reel. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.